Hello everybody, it's me again, Tarshira. Welcome back to our channel. I just want to share with you my pork chop with cream of mushroom. Of course, pork chop, I fried it a little bit. Onions, garlic, and mushroom steams. Kung may mushroom kayong fresh, maganda din. And then the cream of mushroom. See you in a bit. So let's start. Of course, the sesame oil. And then, and onions. Ilagay ko na siya lahat. Mas masarap pag maraming garlic, di ba? Ayan. I-brown na natin siya. And this is super easy. My pork chop with mushroom. You can bake this in the oven or you can do it in the stove. Kung anong gusto nyo. You can do both. Ipa-golden brown na natin yung onion at saka garlic. Tapos ilagay ko na siya yung mushroom. Kung ano lang ang mushroom meron kayo. Ako, this is the only available I have. The can. Medyo malakas yung apoy. Adjust it. Put it in the medium. Tapos lagyan ko na siya ng paminta. Black pepper. Mas masarap pag maraming black pepper. Diba? Mix natin siya. The cream of mushroom. Lagyan natin siya ng tubig. Kasi sayang, so nilagay ko na yung mainit. Just add another 1 can of water. Tapos, ilagay na natin yung isang can na mushroom. Para mas yummy siya. Mas masarap. Ayan. Para mag-absorb siya sa meat. Then, I'll have the quail. Para may kick siya, a little bit spice. Mix lang natin. A little bit of Knorr. Just add the meat. And, oh, super yummy. It smells so good. Hindi pa siya luto, pero maamoy na siya ang bango-bango. Kasi siguro sa garlic. Maraming garlic ang nilagay ko. So, ayan. And, we just put the lid. And put this in the low for 45 minutes. See you in a bit. Malambot na yung pork chop natin, guys. Ayan. Oh, so yummy. And smells so good. Wow. Pork chop with cream of mushroom. You see it? Ito, malambot na siya. Super tender. Thank you so much for watching. See you in our next video. Bye for now.